I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by gathering what you need and prioritizing. Once you have one broom, mop, cleaner, and cloths, do a fast 10-15-minute declutter sweep to remove obvious trash and donations. Make defined zones, work, storage, reading, and label shelves so items return to the right place. This prevents drift. While you work, keep a full garbage bag and a donation box visible. Visibility speeds decisions and reduces excuses. Once the room is decluttered, move to systematic cleaning and habit creation. You clean high-touch areas first, desks, doorknobs, and electronics, with a 70% alcohol or approved cleaner to reduce germs quickly. Then follow a rotation: daily 10-minute tabletop wipes, weekly 30-minute shelf and floor clean, monthly deep clean for carpets and vents. Make the process student-friendly by assigning color-coded bins and simple checklists. When everyone knows their role, maintenance becomes predictable and fast. You finish by doing a final sweep. Vacuum or sweep, empty all bins and spot clean boards and mark so the room looks reset. Then perform a 5-minute inspection checklist. Check zones, supplies, and trash, and correct any misplacements immediately so issues don't compound. If clutter returns, troubleshoot by reassigning duties, shortening task time, and adding visual reminders. This reinforces habits. Make sure to praise correct behavior. Positive feedback sustains the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.